Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the Alien Chief or Troll Chief here, and today I'm going to playing what you call it, Pixelmon. And I started out with Trap Inch. I'm not going to go in my PC right now because, well, I have all this stuff. Oh, jeez, hiccups. This is all the stuff. This is my whole hotbar: level 100 Mew to level 100 Gengar. This is literally my hotbar. So, vote. I can't even type today, I'm so sorry. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, I guess, since I have all this stuff, oh my gosh, really hate these hiccups, and you can actually do that. So I can just do this all day. But I actually need these dust balls, to be honest. It's raining Pokeballs. Alright, so I'm gonna slash warp. Let's see. My gosh, battle. Level 13 battle at slash warp battle. I'm recording. Alright, let's see if we can get anywhere to battle. Oh. Anyone have rock and Laz? Oh, what the heck? The Bravo! Ooh, it's Bravo! Oh, jeez. Bite. Come on, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me! I'm just kidding. He's gonna kill me. Slash warp Poke Center. What? Oh, jeez. Hiccups so much. I'm so sorry. Wow. I think we should just do this. I really want to show you. Get stronger. I want to fight stronger ones so we can smash. Oh. Boom, Mewtwo. Oh, geez, stop. It's alien, stop. And scamming is allowed on the server. I've only scammed once. And I'm not scamming again. And that's how I got this Mewtwo. That's from scamming. Throw out. Accept it, head. Alright, Dragon Rage. Alright. Come on. Let's hear me clicking. Get closer to the mic. No. This is taking forever. Why do you have a level 19 Tyranitar?
You're not leafy, don't get closer to the mic.
But I just did. Who has rare candies? Uh-oh, he's dead. I really need this. Worst Pokemon. Why is it not letting me type? That's weird. How did I kill him? I mean, he was level 40. Wow. Waza. Level 33. You have 2 rare candies? Oh. Oh, jeez, I need to get red candies from them. My gosh. Alright, let's make this jump. Oh wow, my brother is putting capes on his skins. Oh, he wants to fight.
Mewtwo versus Mewtwo.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, fight me, bruh. Lucky. I want to see if I can scam him. 6 Lucario for it. Let's see if he'll take it. No? Okay. Alright guys, so since I'm hiccuping so much, I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to see you guys later, and have fun. Peace out. Bye.